Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the dispenser overlay on your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. For better access, we recommend uninstalling the front dispenser panel. Remove the drip tray. Then use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the 3 lower screws, securing the front dispenser panel. Slide the panel up to detach. Then disconnect the wire connector. Starting on a corner, peel the old overlay off. Clean off any residue if required. Prepare the new dispenser overlay for installation by peeling off the backing to expose the adhesive. Now align the overlay on the front panel and press firmly. Reinstall the front panel by first connecting the wire connector. Align the tabs with the slots in the door and slide down. Rethread the lower screws. Replace the drip tray. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.